Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing how to achieve your weight loss goals with a plant-based lifestyle. If you're looking for a healthy and sustainable way to reach your weight loss goals, you're in the right place. What is a plant-based lifestyle? A plant-based lifestyle is a way of living that emphasizes a diet based on whole, unprocessed plant-based foods and a focus on overall health and well-being. This includes eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, as well as engaging in physical activity and reducing exposure to harmful chemicals and toxins. Benefits of a plant-based lifestyle. There are many benefits to following a plant-based lifestyle, but when it comes to weight loss, there are a few key reasons why it's so effective. First, plant-based foods are typically lower in calories and higher in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied. This means you'll naturally eat less and make healthier food choices. Additionally, a diet that emphasizes whole, unprocessed plant-based foods is naturally high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for good health and weight management. By adopting a plant-based lifestyle, you'll also be reducing your exposure to harmful chemicals and toxins, which can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Making the switch to a plant-based lifestyle can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start by incorporating more whole, unprocessed plant-based foods into your diet and gradually reducing your intake of animal products and processed foods. Engage in physical activity and focus on reducing your exposure to harmful chemicals and toxins. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Staying on track with a plant-based lifestyle can be challenging, but there are a few tips that can help. First, plan your meals in advance so you always have healthy options available. Second, keep healthy snacks on hand, such as cut-up vegetables or fruit, to help curb cravings. Third, find a support system, whether it's friends, family, or an online community, to help keep you motivated. Making it delicious. One of the biggest misconceptions about a plant-based lifestyle is that it's boring and unsatisfying. But with a little creativity, you can make delicious, satisfying meals that are also good for you. Try new recipes, experiment with spices and herbs, and use plant-based substitutes for your favorite animal-based products. You'll be amazed at how delicious plant-based eating can be. Exercise and overall health. In addition to eating a nutritious diet, exercise and overall health are also important aspects of a plant-based lifestyle. Try to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, whether it's a walk, yoga, or strength training. Focus on reducing your exposure to harmful chemicals and toxins by using natural and non-toxic products in your home and personal care routine. In conclusion, achieving your weight loss goals with a plant-based lifestyle is achievable and sustainable. By incorporating more whole, unprocessed plant-based foods into your diet, engaging in physical activity, and focusing on overall health and well-being, you can reach your weight loss goals in a healthy and enjoyable way. Remember, it's a journey, and progress, not perfection, is what counts. The beauty of a plant-based lifestyle is that it encompasses not just your diet, but all aspects of your life, from what you eat to how you take care of your body and the environment. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has inspired you to give a plant-based lifestyle a try.